Hey guys, I recently bought this maono microphone that doesn't have a mute button, only the gain button. So to mute my mic, I searched everywhere and found out the only option is to install a simple software named MicMute. You can install the app just like the other apps. It's really simple, but the problem I had with the app was that it didn't work at all. It didn't recognize my condenser microphone. It didn't show up in my devices right here. As you can see, it's showing now. Um, to solve the problem, the only thing you have to do is simply restart your computer. I didn't know that I had to restart my computer and thought that it's just another garbage app, and I was about to uninstall it. But accidentally, the power went out, and when I started my PC, I realized that my new microphone is appearing in the devices. Then I chose the mic simply, um, and finally had my mute button working perfectly. So whenever you think that the app isn't working, just restart your computer and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.